Picture this. Your little one is in the middle of a magic show. The grand finale is the great Poo-dini disappearing act, except it's not a trick, and the stage is your carpet. The audience, that's you, are left in awe and perhaps a bit of dismay. It's a messy spectacle of misdirection and timing that leaves you questioning the laws of physics. If this sounds a bit too familiar, fear not, we have your back with a simple step-by-step guide to toilet training. Step 1. Preparation. The key to success lies in the readiness of your child. Look for signs that your little one is ready, like showing interest in the toilet or disliking soiled diapers. The importance of recognizing readiness cannot be overstated. Starting toilet training too soon can lead to frustration and delays. It's like trying to bake a cake before the oven's preheated. It just won't turn out right. Remember, every child is different, so don't worry if your little one isn't showing these signs just yet. Step 2. Arm your trooper with the right gear. A child-sized potty or toilet seat reducer can make the process less daunting. Now, why is this important, you ask? Well, just like a knight needs a properly sized shield, your little trooper needs equipment that's just the right size. It helps them feel secure and comfortable, making the whole toilet training experience less of a scary monster under the bed. So remember, gear up your tiny soldier appropriately. After all, we wouldn't send our troops into battle without the right gear, would we? Step 3. Practice makes perfect. Encourage your child to sit on the potty or toilet regularly, even if they don't need to go. This routine fosters familiarity and comfort, alleviating any toilet time trepidation. It's like a rehearsal for the big performance. The more they practice, the less anxious they'll feel. So, whether it's after meals or before bedtime, make it a regular affair. And remember, every king or queen needs to get used to their throne. After all, the throne awaits its rightful heir.